Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos from the YouTube platform. Okay guys, with only 2 clicks. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's scroll down and find video that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this video here from CNBC. All we gotta do is to click on the 3 dots under the video itself. Then you want to click on the fourth option, which is download video. When you click download video, you will have 2 options of the quality to be able to download the video, 720 and 360. The small tip over here is that YouTube Premium subscription is required for you to be able to download the video. YouTube will give you the first month for free as a free trial, and also subscribing for YouTube Premium, you will be able to watch videos on YouTube without watching ads, which basically is the second bonus. So you will be able to get the videos, to download the videos, and you will be able to watch the videos without ads. How much YouTube Premium will cost you on the second month? It will be $18.99. But this is the only legitimate way to download YouTube videos from the YouTube app. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.